Hey guys, today's going to be a pretty short video. I had a request to show you how to do 2-point perspective with round things. So I'm just going to make my 2 vanishing points here and my horizon line, remember, okay? So if you're doing something like a ball, maybe it's in your city or something along those lines, it's really not any different. So you're just gonna draw a ball, like a round, whatever your round building may be, I guess, if it's the shape of a ball. This is not a very good one, but you guys will get the idea. All right, and here's like the street that it's on or whatnot. The rest of this is just gonna be shading. You really don't take this then, you know, and go to this vanishing point over here, and you don't go to this vanishing point over here. Maybe a little bit on this side, and you can show like this, but in reality, you're not gonna do that because it just brings it out more, right? If I go like this, then it just makes the ball wider. So you don't do that. It's all gonna be shading. So it's just gonna be, depending on where your light source is, like let's say my sun's up here, then it's gonna be a little bit lighter up here, right? And get darker down here. And as it gets lighter up, it's gonna make it look round and it's gonna make it look 3D. Now, if you're doing something more cylinder-ish, you would draw the bottom of your cylinder. Here, I'm gonna actually move it over a little bit. You would draw the bottom of your cylinder. I'm gonna do a little one like this, okay? And then you would draw your middle line. And then you would have to draw, like, figure out how high is my cylinder gonna be. Like if I wanted a short building and it's gonna be this high, then this side would go to the vanishing point here. And this side would go all the way over here. And I don't have a straight edge, so it is a little bit more difficult. You should be using a straight edge. So then the sides of my cylinder would go right up to those. And then I would have the top part here, right? So I have to draw my bottom, find the middle point. From there, go to one vanishing point, go to the other vanishing point, make my edges where those vanishing points are. And then the tricky part is because this is under your horizon line, you're gonna see the top, right? And you're not gonna see much of it. So now I have to come in and curl it like this. So I've got my sides, my bottom, and my top. Your sides are what are gonna be determined. Your vertical lines on your sides are determined by that vanishing point there. So really, if you're doing something round like this, you're not gonna be doing anything different. It's just something along these lines.